Have you ever seen a hunting method like this? The peregrine falcon is one of the fastest birds in the world. When diving to catch its prey, it can reach speeds exceeding 380 kilometers per hour. That's almost as fast as a Formula One car. The peregrine falcon has a sleek and aerodynamic body with sharp and powerful wings. Its eyesight is extremely sharp, allowing it to spot prey from a great distance. Its main prey consists of small birds, such as pigeons and sparrows. With its high-altitude flying ability and incredible diving speed, it becomes a deadly aerial predator. This bird is remarkable, not only for its speed, but also for its intelligence in hunting and its adaptability to various environments.